Have you ever wondered what a batch manufacturing record is? Let's break it down. Simply put, a batch manufacturing record is a document that details the production process of a particular batch of products. It's a critical part of quality control in manufacturing. Without batch manufacturing records, it's impossible to track the production process and ensure consistency in quality. In fact, the FDA requires batch manufacturing records for certain products. For example, in pharmaceutical manufacturing, batch manufacturing records are essential to ensure the safety and efficacy of the final product. It's a way to ensure that all ingredients are accounted for and that the manufacturing process is consistent. So, next time you see a batch manufacturing record, you'll know why it's important. It's a critical part of ensuring quality and consistency in manufacturing.